How to view other people's calendar on Outlook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up calendar on Outlook, and on the left hand side panel you would be able to find this option of my calendars, and when you scroll down you would be able to find the option of shared calendars as well. Currently I'm on browser and here you won't be able to find this option, but for you it should be there. Simply right click on shared calendar and then select the option of add calendar. Over there you would find various options according to your needs and requirements. Select any particular option. Most probably you would require the option of from address book. Simply click on that and search for the name of that particular person, and this way you would be able to add their calendar. But after adding the calendar, make sure that you tick that particular calendar so you would be able to compare it with your one, and you would also be able to see your calendar and the other person's calendar all together. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.